set the trend setting days. This is a strategy, and this is a what a psychology of the crude oil. Always we can see the what was the first 3 days. First 3 days we can see all international all international US oil or Indian peoples are they can build the contracts from the coming next 10 days or 20 days in the normal trading days. You can see first 3 days in the if we are closing the contract is today is a contract close, suppose the 20th is the contract close, the next contract is a 21st, 22nd and 23rd. This is the May 3 days they can FIS and crude oil traders, big traders, we can build the contract buy or sell trend. They can set the volume basis, they can keep the volumes in the open interest rate. They can put the volumes in high the buy side. If that is an indication of that is a you can signify that you can show the indication of the next 10 or 15 days where we can going for the crude oil. This is the normally they will do for the trend without normal any news or something else. They can trend set from the because of they have to make the money. They can think that we can do the contract will be built from the long term. Okay, so that is a we can see the significance. And what was how can you find out this is a first 3 days with the buy or sell? See, if we can think that today contract last day was closing at $17 or $18 was a close, and they will take from the another $1 or $2 from the upside. The sharply means they will take only one or two candles in the 15 minutes candles, only half an hour the time they will take from the $2 upside. The flash movement will become. Normally, I observed the last 2.5 years after the closing the contract is especially in the next day means Monday they are closing the contract means Tuesday morning early morning as per the Indian time 12:30 or 1 o'clock they will give the one sharp pullback or downside or upside. That is they are going from the buying or selling. That is on that time the candle who was in the low price, you can see that is $18 is there. If they are not breaking the $18 means they are got the building provision building of the $18 they are got the buy. Below 18 or 17 means they are going for the sell side. If you are that is a common point we can take, and then we can go for the we can $1 or $2. It will be sometimes the $7 also. Nowadays the moment is the most forward, and this will be fast is there. You can take the 10 or $15 also. One side moment will become. This is you can keep the carry forward positions in the longer way, and you can keep the always $1 or $half. This is a stop loss. See, this is ham is enter the here 20. Suppose if here in eight tomorrow $18 we can enter, and the price was 14.50. See where we can enter. This is the prices and everything we can shift it, and we can changes the prices. This is not an Excel sheet. Actually, I'll show you the Excel sheet. This is from the only from the this is go for the Excel sheet. I'll show you. Excel sheet is the formula is there. First 3 days and 18 I put it. Okay. Then you can go 14, 1500 I'll take. Okay. What will happen? The prices are changed. You can see the 1529 you can take the call, and here the stop loss is almost in the 30 points will be there, and the target is 2. Means it will be like $4 or $5 target will be should be mentioned on this. Is main important thing is you can get the more trend setting calls, and you can keep the 15 or 20 days of the time. You can see this is a calls we can generated only the stop loss is only 40 points of the stop loss. This is the main thing of the first 30 days. And what was the first 3 days, and what was the why I taken the last 3 days? Last 3 days was the crude oil is will be uh, crude oil will be close in the same levels because of if you are in the closing the last 3 days. Now we can take the 18 17 16 this time, and 17, and we'll take the 20th. This is the closing times. Okay, this month I am telling that this is the closing times. Okay, on 16th day it was in $21, and the 18th day, on 18th day, so sorry, on 28th day the $18, and this is the day was close dollar is 18.44. Same thing, it will be close on 18.4050 level only from the next day. This is a strategy we can use normally in the 2.5 years they are using. This is not more than 20 up and down, means 18.70 or 18.50. They are going from the closing here itself. This is a day. The second day is a more volatile. It should be there. Last day of the second day is a more volatility. The $3, $4 will be more volatility will be there, and the last day of this is closing here. The same thing they are going to closing maximum 95% they are going to closing from here only. Means you can understanding that the for this is a day as closed $1 or $2 up and down should be there, or $3 up and down. The next day it will be closed from the same from here. This is the last 3 days strategy we can use from the psychologically. Okay.